Today, we're leveling up a classic with this crispy, savory Tortang Talong stuffed with pork giniling. It's hearty, delicious, and so easy to make. Let's get cooking. First up, our eggplants. I've already boiled 3 pieces of talong. Once they've cooled down slightly, gently peel off the skin, but make sure to keep those stems attached. Now, let's get our pan nice and hot with some cooking oil. While that heats up, finely chop 1 onion and toss it right in. Let's get these beautifully softened and fragrant. Next, finely chop your garlic and add it to the mix. Once the aromatics are nice and golden, slide in our ground pork. Break the meat apart and let it cook until it starts turning a beautiful light brown. To add some sweetness and color, toss in some finely diced red bell pepper. Now, let's bring the flavor. Add some rich oyster sauce, ground black pepper, and your favorite seasoning granules. Give it a quick taste and add a pinch of salt if needed. Mix it all up until the pork is fully cooked and savory, then transfer it to a plate to cool. In a clean bowl, crack open 4 eggs and beat them until they are nice and frothy. Once your giniling has cooled down, fold it in and add 2 tablespoons of flour. It binds the eggs and the pork together so the filling stays perfectly intact when we fry. Give it a thorough mix. Back to our eggplants. Lay 1 flat on your cutting board, slice it gently down the middle without cutting all the way through, and spread the flesh wide. We want a nice flat surface so it can hold as much of that delicious meat mixture as possible. Heat some fresh oil in your pan and carefully lay down your flattened eggplant. Now, generously spoon that egg and pork mixture right on top, spreading it evenly over the eggplant. Let it fry for a few minutes until the bottom is perfectly set and golden. Very gently, slide your spatula underneath and flip it over to cook the other side. To get it perfectly crispy and cooked through, spoon some of that hot oil over the edges. Just look at that gorgeous golden crust. And there you have it, our crispy, savory, and incredibly satisfying Tortang Talong with giniling is ready to serve. This is absolutely perfect dipped in some sweet chili sauce or banana ketchup alongside a mountain of warm white rice. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the CMT Kitchen family. Before you go, drop a comment down below and let me know, what time is it where you are watching this video right now? I'd love to know where in the world you're cooking with us. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking!